Betty.
Hi, my name is Silke Brown and I'm the International Channel Manager at PTZ Optics. Welcome to our booth. I'm going to take you in and show you some of the really exciting things we're showcasing here at ISE in Barcelona. So first up over here is our Move SE. This is our standard edition auto tracking camera. We love this one because it's the most affordable PTZ camera we've ever been able to do. It has built-in auto tracking, which uses facial recognition technology and motion to stay locked into one specific person. This is fantastic for live events, education, house of worship, because no matter who's on the scene, it'll continue to stay tracking the one person that you've locked into. This camera also comes with great versatile options. You'll see on the back here that we have SDI, USB, HDMI, and it also comes with NDI for a $99 download. This camera comes in a choice of 12 times, 20 times, and 30 times optical zoom. Taking you in a little bit further, we've got the Move 4K. This is the upgrade to the Move SE, and that's a 4K auto tracking camera. It also has a tally light so you can keep your team focused and on production. This camera also comes with NDI, USB, SDI, HDMI, and it also has power over Ethernet capabilities. You'll see that there's also a line in and a line out, so you can embed audio into your video stream. This camera is also fantastic because we're launching a brand new firmware update here at ISE. You can actually see that right over here on the screen, where you can add a lot of additional customization to your auto tracking. For example, you can now change the tracking composition to center left, center, or right. You can also adjust the zoom distance that you're using to track your subject. For example, you could do medium close-up and get a head and shoulders shot, or you could do long shot and then get a complete head to feet shot of somebody at a further distance away. So no matter what you set this at, the camera will continue tracking at exactly the zoom that you've selected. We also have our joystick here on display. This is the Super Joy, and it is our best-selling joystick. We love this because you can actually control up to 255 cameras just on this one joystick, and you can also set 255 presets. You'll see over here that there's also light up buttons, so if you're in a darker studio, you'll still be able to see exactly what you're doing. You can control the camera using this really nice smooth joystick, and then you can also set your focus and zoom settings on here as well. And then over here, we have our Link 4K. This is a camera that we've partnered with Audinate on. It's a Dante AVH enabled camera. It's also a 4K camera, and it also has USB, SDI, and HDMI, so it's extremely versatile for any of your setups. Another thing that's nice about this one too is it also has that line in and line out to embed audio, and it also has that fantastic tally light so you can also see which camera is live. The Link 4K also comes with that auto tracking solution that I just talked about. So all of our PTZ cameras come with auto tracking right out of the box. There's no download needed, there's no annual subscription. You get this plug and play as soon as you buy our cameras. And over here you're seeing a little bit of the Dante controller. You're seeing how we're connecting the Link as the transmitter to the conference studio as the receiver. So it's extremely easy to use. At our booth here, we've also partnered with Netgear. You'll see them shortly at stand 5C750. We're using Netgear to power all of our cameras, and we're also using them to transmit video. We're using a 30-watt Netgear switch. And then lastly, we have the Studio Pro. This is our all-in-one live streaming solution. It's a single shot box camera, 1080p, but you're seeing this wonderful video quality over here. And you'll see that the Studio Pro comes with a panel light. You can adjust the color temperature of the light, you can adjust the brightness of the light, and you can also remove the panel light. It sits on a cold shoe. So if you have another accessory you prefer to use, you can take this off and then easily install the other accessories. Our Studio Pro is compatible with most standard mounts, so it's extremely easy to set up and travel with. It also comes with 12 times optical zoom, 16 times digital zoom. And on the back of our Studio Pro, I'm going to move this quickly, you'll see that we also have a switch. Using the switch, you can toggle between vertical and horizontal orientation. You'll see that on the setup over here, we're using a vertical monitor. This also has a built-in microphone over here. It's a beamforming microphone. It can pick up sound from about 4 meters away. There's also a time of flight sensor here, so you can create the bokeh effect. So you can have a nice crisp forefront and a blurred background. So thank you guys for taking a sneak peek into our booth. We're so excited that you got to watch us here. And if you want more information, please go to ptzoptics.com.